Whoa, it's really heavy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, okay. Let's make! Oh, so cute. Okay. Oh, no, hang on. This is a leggy thing. Hang on, let me just consult for a second. So, and then that goes right up the hoo-ha. Ah, this is the leggy bits, so these go here. Okay, got it. I'm gonna on this side. Yes. Ah, this bit goes up on top. Oh no! Oh, that's not great. So if it goes in there, does it? No, this bit. Ah, duh. Yeah. Ah. There we go. Ah, cute. Hang on. This is this one. Knitting. Oh, they're very, very delicate. So now I've done one, should be able to do the rest. Cute. Looks much brighter pink here than this pink. Still nice. Love it. So cute. Oh my god, I love these. Okay. Let's make. Shoo, shoo. Looks kind of delicate too. I'm gonna rip this. Look how cool that is. Oh my god, get hyped. Get hyped, guys. Alright. Once again, let's start with the leggies. Oh, yes, God. Whew. Oh my god, so satisfying. Let's stick this up your clacker over here. Oh, this one's a bit of a funny one. That one's a different shape. Oh, okay. Holy mackerel moly. How am I supposed to get that in there if it's the wrong size? Oh, you're joking. Might just be a bit of a wonky one. Oh. Oh. Well, I don't think that one's at least going to come out. Alright. Next. This one's a bit of a funny shape one. Okay, let's turn you around. There we go. Okay, then, bow situation. Put this on now. Last one, my friends. This is it. Oh, it's like a frog. I totally just realized the first one that I opened up was actually the rare one. This was really rare. It was so hard to get. Let's make. Wow, they feel really good too. Like they're really well constructed. This isn't crappy gacha. This is like really nice gacha. Oh, so cute. Oh, that's a bit smaller than the other ones. Oh, I guess because it's got to go in the hood. Alright, that makes sense. If you are an oldie like me, if you're an older millennial, which you're probably not, but I am. I'm an older millennial. Just scraping there. Frickin', how do you open this bloody? Hang on. And being Australian, I discovered Cardcaptor Sakura via, I think it was like morning TV. Oh. Yeah. Tell me in the comments, how did you find out about Cardcaptor Sakura? And do you pronounce it Sakura or Sakura? How the flip do I do this bit? I think, look, it's got two little peggy bits. Ooh, it's got to fit there, and that's got to fit in there. Oh my god, it doesn't fit! What the flip? Brute force. It's not really... Oh, no. I think I did it. I think I did it. It's in there. Whew. Okay, now this funny little bit goes inside. Hell yeah. Oh, shivers. Might need a bit more engineering on this one, I think. Good idea, but delicate in practice, I think. Alright. Let's stick this one up here. Oh, that's bloody great. Whoa! Cute! Yes, it gets a heart from me. What do you think? Snaps for this. How cool. Love them. So, so good. Whoops. I should go get my little bimbo. Bibi! What do you think, Bim? What do you reckon? I think she thinks food would be really pretty good right now. Oh, cat bum. And with that, and the cat bum, I'll see you later. Fish time. Fish McFish. Ready, Bim?